Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to improve video quality in YouTube. I will show you how to do it, so you may like and subscribe, share to others, write comment, and let's go. So what you need to do is click on video which you want to watch. Okay, for example this. Now I will show you how it's working. So to improve video quality, you need to click on this option like settings, and here you have option like quality, and if you choose higher amount it will be have bigger quality. If you choose less, you will be have potato quality, for example 214, and as you can see it is a quality video this, but for example I will choose 400. As you can see it's much better. You may read text, and now on HD, as you can see is everything, you may everything see, and it is the worst. There is nothing practically. Okay, and that's all in this tutorial. So I hope that I help you. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks.